Let's study 9th standard ICSE, English Literature, Act 2, Scene 2. So the scene starts, same stormy weather. Even Caesar seems to be a little worried. And what adds to his worries is that his wife, Calpurnia, has woken up from her sleep thrice after her nightmares, and she screamed because she saw the murder of her husband. So, to take a precaution, Caesar orders a servant to go to the priests, ask them to make a sacrifice of a beast, and predict about success of his future endeavor. Because he plans to go to the capital that day and accept the crown which will be offered to him and become the king of the Roman Empire. Calpurnia enters. She asks him, "Are you really considering to go to the capital today? Look at the horrid sights which people claim to have seen. A lioness was seen with her cubs. People were fighting and dying and in pain, screaming in pain. The soldiers were fighting in the clouds and their blood trickled onto the walls of the capital. The graves have unearthed dead bodies and ghosts have arisen. All these unnatural events make me believe that something tragic is going to happen. So please don't go." But Caesar is drunk with arrogance and overconfidence. So he rejects Calpurnia's explanation, stating that whatever fate has in store for him will happen. We can't avoid that. And also, all these portents and omens might be some general indication and not particularly pointing towards his destiny. So he decides to go. But Calpurnia requests him once again not to go. So ultimately he listens to his wife, which is always the right thing to do, and he agrees not to go to the capital, not because he's scared, but because just for the sake of Calpurnia. Because Calpurnia had stated that when beggars die, there are no omens. But when a prince is about to die, even the heaven becomes ablaze with fire. Also, the servant came with the result that when the priest sacrificed a beast, it was found to be without a heart, which is a bad omen. So the priests had suggested that he should not go to the capital. So ultimately he agrees with what his wife said. Then enters Decius Brutus. He was particularly sent there to convince Caesar to come to the capital in the event of him changing his mind. Because of this very reason, superstitious omens. Now he is very adept at flattering Caesar. So when Caesar tells him that he doesn't want to go to the capital and go and tell the senators that I won't be coming, and he doesn't even want him to give a reason. Calpurnia has suggested that at least tell them that you are sick. But he's so overconfident, he says that no, I am not going. Why should I lie? I am not going because I don't want to. But still, Decius requests him to give him a reason, otherwise people might mock him if he tells them that Caesar isn't coming without giving any valid reason. Actually, he wants a reason from Caesar so that he can manipulate around that reason. So Caesar says that I don't want to give any reason to the Senate, but to you personally, let me reveal to you that Calpurnia is having some nightmares. So to respect her wishes, I am not going. And the nightmare is that she saw a statue of Caesar oozing blood from various wounds, and the Roman citizens were bathing their hands in the stream of blood. Decius rises to this occasion, seizes this opportunity to interpret the dream in such a way that it flatters Caesar. He tells Caesar that the dream means that he gives love and growth to Rome. The Romans washing their hands in his blood means that he is giving life and prosperity to the Romans. So he should be proud of this. Decius also tells him that the Senate has already made up their mind that they are going to offer him the crown. Now if he doesn't come, they might think of him as a coward and may change their mind. So he also plays on his greed and insecurity to allure him towards the capital. So Caesar changes his mind once again. He finds Calpurnia's dreams foolish, calls it foolish, and he says that he would definitely come. And then arrives Publius the senator and the conspirators, Brutus, Casca. So he welcomes all of them. They have come there sharp at 8 o'clock to make sure that they accompany him towards the capital. And then Antony also comes. He thanks everybody and tells them to join him in drinking wine and then walk towards the capital like friends. He also tells Metellus, Cimber and Trebonius to stay very close to him in the capital because he wants to talk to them about some business. To this, Trebonius thinks that he would be so close to Caesar that even his best friends would be jealous of that. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.